It is not only for me, for the entire ISRO team and the country, it is a proud moment. Because starting from a very humble journey, a country which was not having rocket technology and satellite technology, we had the first launch of SLV-3 1979, 1980. We got the successful launch, and India joined the elite group of few nations. And from that, so many rockets, Mark 3, Mark 2, PSLV, SSLV, and 4 operational flights vehicles we are having, and coming to a milestone of 100, a country like us is really a great, proud moment, not only for me. I am one of the citizens. Entire Indians can be proud of this moment.
Sir, what is the update on the SpaceX mission?
SpaceX, excellent work is done. We could dock, and it is rotating as a single object. As we discussed, so many experiments we want to do, because this is a object available including, for example, we want to do the power transmission, and we want to separate it out, again redock multiple times possible, so that we will generate lot of data. So this work means discussions are going on, and in a systematic way, we should not do some mistake, So in a systematic way, we are going to do and generate data.
You also spoke about the Gaganyaan mission and the plan of sending 3 uncrewed mission before the launch.
No, the Gaganyaan mission, there are a lot of new developments. The human rating of the launch vehicle, as my colleague Mr. Unirshna has explained. Then the orbital module development, where we have to keep our, orbital module where the human being has to go. Then we have to develop the environmental control and safety system, which has to maintain the required pressure, temperature, humidity, CO2. That development has to happen. Then the crew escape system, that development. In case of any problem, the crew has to be saved. That system has to happen. Then there are new systems like human-centric products. All the works are going on well. But then, in ISRO system, no partial success. Either success or this one only. When you are trying to cross a bell by long jump, if somebody is telling 95% I was succeeded, he will fall inside the well only. It is not success. So you have to have perfect thing. And here it is the game. So perfectly we have to do. So lot of experiment works are going on. The first uncrewed mission, towards that we are working towards that uncrewed mission. The full team is working towards that.
One last question, sir. The Kulasekaram port, when we can see it as a full function?
From now, approximately 24 months.